Good morning, my grandchildren. I heard that you have been beating some people's children. Is it true or not?
Yes. Daddy, we were sitting there, we were doing our own thing, and they just came and they want to fight. And I got up and I beat them.
When you were coming, I saw you people doing improper things. I don't want to see that thing again. Do you hear me? Or else I will not give you any food in this community or not give you food in this house.
Why? Grandma,
Hey, what are you people saying? Where are you going? Hey, get back! Hey, come on, meet me here. See? Please.
Those grandma children, they don't respect their stubborn boys.
Yes, it's true.
Nowadays, I have been seeing that when the grandmother sends them, they don't mind this grown-up grandmother, and they don't respect him.
Yes.
I mean that nowadays, when they're grown up, they'll not get good girls and marry.
Yes.
They are stubborn boys.
Yes.
I saw her and her grandmother talking. They were insulting her grandmothers. Nowadays, they don't respect that stubborn boys. They are only stubborn boys in this community. They disobey children and disrespect everybody in this community. They like insulting people in this community. When they see us and they are insulting us, they see their grandmother and they are insulting their grandmother. They disobey. They don't respect in this community.
The way you are disgracing me in this community, one day your children, when you grow up and get married, your children will do the same.
Me, I'll get married. Me, I'll get married. You don't know that's right. Me, I'll get married.
Tell me that you'll not get married, but one day,
Hey!
you are going. Go.
Go. I'll marry you.
Now grandma is dead. What will you do? Where are these stubborn boys? Have you heard that your grandmother is dead?
Oh, no.
When your grandmother was alive, you disobeyed her. When she said to you, no, go. I'll not talk. Yeah, let's see.
You don't do any house chores in the house. These children, even my Fatty, she don't know how to boil water. One day I told her to boil water. She burnt the water. When she even don't know how to cook her house.
Bana.
Wendy!
Ati, Bana.
Wendy!
Bana, I'm calling you, no man.
Placing you in this community. One day, your children will grow up and get it. Commuting to get my life. Our children to know. What grandma said.
Listen.